It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me radar. The only special one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video I'll be doing this faux locks lace frontal wig. I've actually started the process already and I thought to myself, why don't you just make a video? So I've already done like half of the work already. So I placed my frontal same way you place a frontal when making a wig, and then I did a box braid on the frontal. So the hair that I used is a coily hair. I only combed it out, and I prefer to use coily hair for this type of wigs because it looks way more natural, and also it is easy to braid compared to the straight hair. So that's basically what I did. And on this other side of the hair, I've already completed the faux locks on the frontal, so I'm going to be doing the one on this side. But before that, I just left this piece of hair to show you guys that I actually used coily hair, so you see the texture of hair that I used. So I'm going to complete the box braid right here.
Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man I tell them it's my life. Man I really in the studio, man I vibe in the sunlight. And to play, then they use me to play. Man I vibing all day. Man I use me to play. Original, 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 original Batman, oh, eh, oh, VQs, on the vibe, on the vibe.
It's fake kills.
See when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
So this is the faux locks that I'll be using. Is an ombre in color 1B, 4 and 30. Yeah, so I got this on AliExpress. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in my description box below.
One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell him, me them go slow.
So you're going to grab both the box braid and the faux locks together into the crochet hook and pull it. So once you pull it, it should look like this, and then you're going to unravel the faux locks. You open it like this.
One time
Not all the way down, but enough to cover the box braid. As you can see, the hair that I have here is long. I would have used a shorter length, but this was the one that I have available. So I've unraveled the hair all the way up to this length. Let's see if it's enough. Yeah, it should be enough to cover this box braid. So right now you're going to start wrapping it. It is better you wrap it very close to the, how do I call it, to the roots. Yes, to the roots, so you cover that crochet effect. Just keep wrapping. I don't know what's wrong with my tripod.
One nigga say really one nigga call me emergency. Original Batman. One time he's Butty baby. VQs mix and yeah, no.
So once you get to the very end, it should look like this, and then you use your hand. I don't know how to describe this, like you rub it together like this to seal the ends and also to make the locks tighter. So right now this is what it looks like. It's very tight and the braids are secured. Like, I cannot see the braids. By the time you're done, you should not be able to see the box braid anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to repeat another one.
Tell them me out, let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down, but man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down, but men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me as.
Do you see how I open this? It should look like this, and then I wrap it from the roots.
Tear them, so you think them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. So you think them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
It's VQs.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what see me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time.
So guys, I'm done with the frontal part. So right now I'm going to crochet the faux locks into the mesh cap, and I'm starting from the top section. That way I don't add too much air to this wig. Okay, so yeah.
Me dirty one say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man them me looking at they think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me film one. Aye. Man a one say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's FAUX.
We finna have a good time, you know. And bomb up like them and watch it. They were pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles. Let
It's
go.
FAUX.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island team. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl,
It's
I do it for
FAUX.
you. Get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know. Liquid bad.
So guys, this is the final result. So I ended up using 6 packs of these faux locks to make this wig. I added some accessories to beautify the hair and also to mimic the style that my clients paid for. You can wear this hair in middle parts, side parts. You can even put it in a bun. This hair is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I need to make one of these for myself. I know it's going to look beautiful on me. Anyways guys, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga.